guys, it's me, Jonah.
And me, Nathaniel.
Today will be weather forecasters, mainly Nathaniel.
Because I want to be a weather reporter. This will be on our first channel. You need to get on frame.
Just to let you know, this is a map.
This will be breaking news. We have our not named winter storm yet. I don't know if it's going to be named or not. And it would be named, I think it was an A word, I can't remember what it's named. And we could have blizzard up here conditions in South Dakota and North Dakota with some blizzard warnings and blizzard watches.
I think I'm going to get sick.
And then here, Minneapolis, Minnesota, you're going to get a lot of rain instead of snow. Here, and then there's isolated 12 to 18 inches here. And then snow right now is coming through Colorado. There's a low here and a low here, and the low will move up this way and move right into Minnesota, and the two combining lows will cause a front here, and the front will move that way. And the front will head here into Kentucky, which will rain. And then down, and then when you start hitting about West Virginia, Pennsylvania, you will start seeing snow, because some of it, we have cold it is up here for high elevations, and some lake effect. Lake effect already. Sounds so weird.
And a week till Thanksgiving.
Yeah. And then you see, and then when it moves up here, there will be some isolated snow up here in the, for some snow for the high elevations. The rest of us will get rain.
Though he's sniffing John Cena.
And for the rest of the forecast, as, 1 second. Oh, you got a failure.
Technical difficulties.
You got a failure.
Technical difficulties.
I have a map over here. I'm looking at orange. Over here on my left. Here, up here in the Pacific Northwest. I'm probably gonna get up here. Pacific Northwest. There is we got some high wind warnings for high waves. And then I think this is frost advisories. What are those? What are those? I really want. They're like blue. I don't.
Oh, you can't see.
Yeah, they're freeze warnings. I can. I can stop in it. They do it all the time in the weather. I'm looking at my what? What are you doing?
I'm making seem like I should pause it still.
No.
I'm bored.
Stop.
It's not gonna cut it.
I don't care. Just stop.
Pause up with the scissors.
And then
On the scissors.
we have a very bad earthquake. It was not an earthquake. Let me have it. Let me have this.
I'm trying to use that.
And then here, up here in the.
I just used my pencil.
Come on, why don't you give me the map? Give me the map. We got high wind warning for high surf. And then you got the winter storm. That's not named yet. I'm going to name it. I think it should be named. I don't know the official name. But our names will be called
Weather, Brianna.
Alta. This will be Alta. With blizzard conditions in Bismarck and South Dakota. North Dakota and South Dakota and the lowland Minnesota. So if you live in those areas, be careful. And then in here we'll have some lake effect. That's common. Salt Lake's got some snow over the weekend. I mean, yesterday and today. Colorado's gonna get some snow. Wyoming, Salt Lake City, Wyoming, Cheyenne will get some snow today and yesterday. Yesterday and today. We're filming on a Thursday. And then Washington has got the rain, and they'll be coming down this way. And I like to call this area is Alta.
No, I don't think you realize. Look at all your corners.
You click them off. Oh, you did cut them off.
Only one.
And then you got the very bad area down here where we have very bad droughts, very high fires. We got 40 fires in here. For
And a very high case of Nathaniel's annoying.
Kentucky, and West Virginia, and Virginia, a little bit of Tennessee, and a little bit of North Carolina.
Wow.
I dropped my pointer.
Yeah, and you go.
And you see all that area there.
Don't even think about messing with the Skittles.
They will get here. They will get a little bit of rain. West Virginia might get a little snow. And if this, but the more south you go, the less rain there is. I would like it. That's the opposite what we need. What we need is the more south you go, the more rain you get. But that's not our case. And California, Nevada, cool temperatures, I think. We had a couple of ooh, there's a. What is? I don't think that's true, but it has the same colors as winter weather advisories, and that's Los Angeles weather.
One second.
I'm looking at this right now.
Orange out.
Oh, it's red flag warnings and stuff like that. I get it now. What?
Oh, what was I gonna say?
John Cena.
No. Can you smell my breath? See if I have strep.
I'm not smelling your breath. Really, just keep an eye out, and that's all for our video. Bye.